What was that?
Get some cash this morning. Need to go to the market to get some yam.
Some in
And I'll
there.
buy some soap. Keep it things straight.
Babe, someone in there. Someone in there. Yeah, this one.
Come on. Oh, you know what? These money, they are like plastic, paper. See? They blow away like
Like the wind.
like the wind. They blow away. I still have some money from what my job the other day. But
We like to keep on top.
keep on top. But we still have a lot of money.
Get some. Get some.
We still have some. Almost 10 grand. Still left out of that. So put that here.
That's like £50 in the UK money.
Right there. Put your hands.
Give me the cash. That one.
Sure. This yeah. Focus on the camera. Not there.
This side. Leave an eyeball. Listen. Good. There. Chain. Oh, good. We stand park there, or we're going to go kind of parking?
Park at it.
You feel 10 times richer now?
Money's coming.
Huh?
Money's coming now.
Do you feel 10 times richer? Huh?
I am rich, babes. I'm born as a wealthy man. See? Look.
Bills, bills, bills.
I'm telling you, this just blow away like water. When you stay. We'll put them together. So we come to Germany.
That thing?
Yeah.
You need to get it somewhere else. Yeah. Anyway, I'm not going to do the
Well,
same.
go on, talk.
No, man.
With him?
My boss? Yes, kids.
He didn't ask you for no money today, did he? I said he didn't ask you for no money today. Yeah.
Huh?
I said he didn't ask you for no money today.
Yeah, because he's not losing job.
Well, he's not meant to ask you for money.
He's not losing job. This is the camera.
Put the AC on, it's hot, man. Master Matter Food Store.
I need to park and come back.
I thought it was going to t-shirts, no room was in them today. Oh, I thought
My boss, can I park here, sir? Can I park there?
Morning, how you doing?
Morning, good morning. Can I park there?
Oh, hold on. Where you want to park?
There. I want to go in and market.
I'll give you a few minutes.
All right, no worries, no worries, no worries. Thank you.
You're welcome.
There's no keep the video too.
Don't forget, get cabbage.
Hmm?
Cabbage.
Hold on. You got a few minutes, yeah?
Yeah. Cheers, thank you. Bigger boss, you work down at the station there?
Yes.
Oh, you know Rene?
Last name,
Beckford.
Yeah.
Yeah man, I'm his son, you know. Yeah man, I'm his little son, man.
Virgin man.
Yeah man. Yeah man, I cool you out, you know. Yeah man.
I'm a virgin man.
Yeah man, I'm a little son, brother. Thank you so much, officer.
Yeah. Put you in the lap.
Thank you.
Yeah. You take out the too quick, man.
Yeah, too quick, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, I stay like that, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes, respect. You good there, sir, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah, man, thank you. Hold on.
Oh, don't get the bag in the back.
Yeah, okay. Yes, boss.
You want me to say what?
Yes, man. Thanks for that, yeah, my boss.
Blessings. All the best and take care of yourself. Never is a minute.
Never, sir. Never, sir.
Never.
Alright, then.
I said never with an S.
Never. Oh, never. Yeah. Respect, man. Yeah.
Blessings.
Yeah, man. Yeah, my name is Joe.
Joe.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So it's a Beckford, you're good, you know?
Good. Bedford. Thank you so much, sir. So come, yeah? Cheers. Thank you.
It's hot, man. Can we go on the pavement? Don't want to get knocked up. Knocked over. So you're going down this way?
Things like that, man. You back off on video. Catch seal.
It's you!
Yeah? No, catch seal. Everything. Talking to you.
Was the copper man scared of him?
No.
Was the copper man scared of the camera?
No. people do that. Nobody.
Come on then,
If you don't want to, you would have chilling. No, no, no. 150. Enough, I'll tell you something for that. Where you come from? Where you come from? Yeah, brother, we can't do this. No, man, I'm come from.
Where do you go to the last place we went to?
Huh?
Where do you go to the last place we went to?
Yes. Stay back and watch the camera. You wanna go before we go on? Because you
Which way we going? Straight on? No, go back.
I'm gonna buy the clothes. I'm gonna do the thing
I can just fish it in the
How much a pound for this? 150. Huh? What is it, babe? What? Yeah. We buy the yammer. We buy this for my money.
No, there's a turtle in there.
Huh? Like the middle part and you're reaping it. Oh, where you come from? Okay, so the guy went on here. Yeah, man, most parish, like, look at me, but not leg over there. Are you a yam this? How much is the yam for? Alright, let's do that. No, we have good one. Yeah, man, you don't know cook.
What's this? Babe, that.
So what's up? Nice. No, we don't want to so what's up now. We don't want to so what's up. Everything was done. Where you have to go? Where you have to go? Anywhere is my dad. Tell the camera, don't pray. Of course you can. You don't know the rubbish down here. Hello, I'm just looking. Yeah, if you see anything interests me, I'll take it. That is it. Is anything wrong with that? It's okay, yeah? That's it. Alright. Thank you. I'm just walking around, yeah? Alright, what you got? 1, 2, 3. No, yeah, more than that. How much a pound? Alright, give me a pound. As your stylist? Yes. How much is this? How much is these? $200. Ah, remember. say you want to buy Isaac?
I was looking, instead of a bum and t-shirt, I could have bought a plastic Spider-Man toy.
Huh? Plastic. Can't always go back there. They say, well, how much for them shirt up, man, Lou? Yeah.
$1,200.
They're expensive.
I have adults.
Expensive.
Expensive?
Yeah, man.
And $1,200?
Yeah, it's expensive. I'm Jamaican, I'm not foreigner.
No, that's why you shouldn't say that. That's why you
That's what I'm
should say
saying, yeah,
expensive.
yeah. Huh?
That's why you shall say expensive.
Yeah. You know that.
Yeah, because we don't sell to Sun Island, we just in the market.
Yeah.
It's just reasonable for the market, but when your things are the black brother,
You know what, the price. I'm just buying it for some little kids, but not my just a present to somebody. The price.
what you want.
Huh? That's why I tell you, come and know the price.
Well, lower the price is one, but selling the price is the other, because the market you're buying.
What was in sorry, mama.
Yeah.
What was the price of the what was in each?
Oh, it was 5 to 6 and I wanted to get a dress for Elena.
Not these, the way you want to get through.
I don't know from here. It was over there, what I've seen them.
Huh?
It was over there.
Same price.
Same price.
Let me come back to you, mama.
Not tell me that, not tell me that. No, you as a black brother, you should not do that for sale.
They not pay black people, they never say.
but
So that's what I do. So I want buy something to think.
Or you just want her to film something.
Yeah. No.
You want her to film and film something.
Huh?
Or you just want her to film something because she's at the camera, so she's just.
So that's why you're dealing with me.
No, that's
so
what I ask you.
Me not have no right to
That's
look
why,
around.
yeah, I'm not going to look around,
That's
but
what
I'm
I
just saying
said.
because you're shopping around and doing it as a sightseeing.
No. You can't hold me on that point. If you want me to buy from you, buy. But no, you
must have to buy. But
all
you
right, then, all
must
right.
want a video.
Yeah?
You may not want to find the point, but you're building something that
Well,
you
you
want
know,
to do.
you know
want to
me
do something
videoing.
like, yes.
Okay, you know me videoing your stuff now, yeah? This is YouTube. Let me tell you.
It's
Yeah?
just a brain trick because you know that we Jamaican just don't
Yeah.
even do something, but we don't really mind it
Well,
because
okay.
they are tourists.
Okay,
Yeah,
they're
they are
the tourists.
tourists. Yeah, they
Well,
are living
okay,
there,
the
they're
other
from
tourists
here.
will be coming here, and the way you deal with me, they will want to come and meet you.
No.
Did you know that?
No, but when I deal with the tourist
Yeah.
itself, you know,
That's
when
what
I
I'm
deal
saying.
with she as a tourist itself, you know,
Yeah.
actually they buy.
Yeah.
Actually they buy from the come and see it, and they know they want it, they buy. But come and deal with you as a black brother. No, you are just a working.
No,
as
you're
a
not giving me no
sightseeing.
choice. That's the problem.
No, I'm not giving a choice because you say you want some. I know you do your thing say 2 dear. Actually, the thing say 2 dear. And for she, when she comes, she just say, how much is it? I said $10, less than $10.
So look here, who got the money? Make sure you buy from me.
No, she's not gonna buy because
That's what I'm saying. I've come to support you, but you're running me
You
away.
not
Come.
speaking, no, not like that. And you just doing a job. You just doing a sightseeing job.
You lose your chance.
Oh, that wasn't the place I've seen them anyway.
She lose her
I've
chance.
seen them here.
Yeah.
And then I've seen the dress, so the first thing I seen was the dress.
Huh? Honey.
No, thank you. Yeah, because I've seen the dress.
What size is it?
Oh, it's 5 to 6.
There's a woman that.
Yeah, man. She,
No. She always have the Jamaican clothes on. You see, this is the way.
Oh,
Look.
what's your name?
Yeah.
Come next. You just sit down and say what you want.
No, me I look for some Jamaican shirt. But who's gonna buy from her out there?
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
My wife, yeah?
Yeah.
But she a year when she has she say I work, me I work. She lose her chance.
Yeah. Watch out.
You understand?
Go right through the gate. Go up this way.
Yes.
Hold it behind you.
Alright, that's all, yeah man, you know. I know there's something.
Is it up there, eh?
No.
Yeah.
Remember the woman? Yes, woman.
You see her?
Yeah.
This is where I've seen them.
And this.
The medium. And it's not 5 to 6s.
Small little dress.
That's what I'm saying. I wanted to buy a little just for Elena and then one for Isaac. Yeah, we look. We need to know what size is 5 to 6. For a boy, 5 to 6.
Is it your stuff?
And Elena's gonna be 67, I think. Is that 67? That looks like a baby size. It's like the extra large one. The top one at the top. No, the top. Is Elena coming? That's good. That's too small for.
Is that more close, yeah?
Yeah.
Because it's always been a lot of clothes here.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Do you think the polo shirt would be for Isaac or the surround neck?
Let me see what you got. You see that lady out there?
Yeah.
I will buy from you. Before you see some people, I don't want to buy, spend my money with them. Because I come in and she disrespecting me. Yeah? She plays the boat on rock. Oh yeah, that's
Yeah. Are you going to buy some yourself? For your own kids?
yeah, gonna buy one.
Yes.
Come on, Kayla.
What about youngest? For a boy, for a child, 5 to 6, and like a dress for a girl that is a 5 to 6 as well.
So this one is what? This one is what size is this?
It's extra large.
Is that
No,
for
no.
five? Is that for a
What size
girl?
is this?
Okay. Can be for 3, 4-year, 5-year-old.
No, that's tiny for them. Don't
Tiny.
think Elena's
You
fat.
have bigger size on this one? Up there, let me have a look. So you have extra large.
Elena's gonna probably be double XL to be fair. Yeah, I like that myself, but don't think she's fat. Elena is.
What about this one?
Is that bigger?
Hey,
We're both the same. Oh, that's not fit, you know. That probably that pink, probably that one would. When you got that white one, the yellow one.
this?
The yellow one.
This one?
I think that would fit her. Or unless you got double XL.
Yeah, that's the stretch. That was what, 4?
Yeah, but she's fat. Okay. I might getting the same, innit? Both yellow. Ooh, I like this one. I like this one. Yeah, for Isaac.
Yeah?
For Isaac.
So, I need one for a 13-year-old. Yeah, 13. Jamaican.
Do you want to buy my dress?
10-year-old Kayla.
Are you buying a t-shirt?
Get t-shirt.
You want to buy my t-shirt?
Yeah, this t-shirt. You got the joggers for them? You got the shorts?
Yeah, I have a couple of shorts over here.
Oh,
Where's the shorts? The
Kayla
trouser.
will wear this thing. Let me see that one. It's too big for Kayla?
That dress?
Yeah.
That dress is nice, right? Yeah.
Let me see that one.
The dress.
The dress?
Yes. She'd probably. I like
I
that.
wonder if that's too big for her.
How old?
She's 14 but she's small.
Oh. If you can fit her, you can carry it.
Now this is going to the UK.
Oh.
Yeah, UK.
Oh.
Have you got extra small to small?
This, you have a smaller size to this. Because this look like her size.
Yeah.
No, this look like your size.
No, this is for back home. This is for, not for now. We're buying for souvenirs.
This is the only one you have? This is the only one you have? Medium.
So you probably need extra small.
No, just small. Small would be nice. Because this size look like you.
She's only like a teenager.
It's a teenager.
A small, medium.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Small and medium. Small, medium. This is the smallest.
Alright then, alright. Let me focus on the shirt then first. And then, yeah.
Yeah, we'll have a look then properly.
It's a girl.
I don't like these shirts.
I think this one's alright for Isaac, innit?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That one's alright.
So this is Isaac
And Elena.
Yeah, put them over there.
I don't know if I don't
So
want to
I
get my
need
one.
two now.
I think about that
One
one.
for let me focus on for Kayla, which is she's 13. Let me find a t-shirt for her.
Not the polo one round there.
No, wrong.
That's nice.
14 to 16.
I haven't got a my one yet. No,
Get one for her then.
she's skinny as well. I'll get an.
Okay, that's the children. So,
That's 2 to 4. Don't even get for the youngest. Your youngest son.
for this one, son.
Yeah, get that one then. 2 to 4. What size is that
Which
one?
is this one?
6 to 8.
6 to 8.
No, Talia's going to be 9 to 10 or 10 to 11.
10.
Medium.
What's this one?
That'll probably fit Talia, you know. Or medium.
This is large. Yeah, but she's 9. She's 9.
Yeah. Medium, no. That's that.
This one is too big, right?
That's going to be too big.
Yeah, it's too big.
So maybe this one.
These are too big for her, because she's very small. They're small.
Can I sell you something, Danny?
What about that one, Ben? That one for. I think that's a bit small in here.
Yeah, that will fit.
Don't think Talia's a bit bigger.
You have any shorts with them?
No, it's t-shirt.
It's t-shirts. Okay. Oh,
It's a nice one. That's nice.
10, 12.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
10, 12.
For Talia.
This- Talia. Yeah,
10 to
that's
12.
Talia.
This is another 10, 12.
No, more 13,
I'll put
no,
Maya.
13, 14. Okay,
For
10.
Maya.
Okay.
And then we need one for 12 to 14, say.
Yeah, 12 to 14.
Or 13 to
No,
14.
13 to 14.
How about that one?
She's
That's
a girl.
alright, yeah.
She's a girl, but she's skinny.
That's alright. She does
No,
she's
no,
slim.
no, she's that big. That's too big.
That's big. That's bigger than Talia's.
What size is this though?
Medium.
No. She have to buy small for her. Medium will fit me.
Small's like a baby's babe. No, that,
This is kids medium, but that is big people medium.
that's going to fit her. Look, she's long as well, she's tall. That's going to be like a crop top on her.
By the way, how much per t-shirt? 1,000, yeah? Which one is 12?
How much it is?
I'm buying,
These two are
what
12.
discount they giving
The
me
older
by
one are
buying all
12.
these then? Because I like to talk money before we actually start spending money.
Okay, you got to phone for Kayla first.
So I'm looking for, so far I'm gonna need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6.
6.
6.
Yeah? 6 t-shirt we need. Who else again?
Yeah, what about your oldest son? Do big people there?
No, I need to buy one. I'm gonna buy for Dave.
You put him fridge magnet?
Yeah?
Put him magnet?
Oh yeah.
That's
but-
enough. So is he
so
need
look
one?
for the 13 now, for Kayla. So,
What about the yellow one? What about the yellow one, Yang? That one looks alright, not the fish is tall. That looks alright, slim enough.
what size is this? Who can
Large.
this? Yeah, she's very tiny.
Yeah, but that big look, the waist is small.
Hmm?
The waist is small.
Large, it's large. Yeah, but it's large, babe. It's stretch. This.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Kayla not that big.
I'll get a medium one of them then.
Yeah, medium up this. Can you find a medium like this? Yeah, them stretch. She could sleep in them at night.
I think that's big enough, you know.
Yeah, that's
That
right.
one. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? That's it then. Is we done here, yeah? This is all we got. Are you sure that's going to fit Elena? Because there's fat, man.
This
Have you got
nice
a bigger size in it? It's like a double XL. This is extra large because it was big, you know. She's 4 to 5, but she's chunky.
Oh, you want a bigger one?
Yeah, have you got double XL?
Oh.
That doesn't X.
This one. Remember you have some Jamaican dress in that thing?
Oh no, I like this one. Will this fit? Will it fit a 4 to 5 year old? Which is a bit fat.
I think it is going to
I think this one.
You're not going to have time.
Time in it, yeah.
Hello, you have some flat dress.
I do like that though.
This is
You
nice.
like this one or smaller one in there?
No, I don't.
No. She just want the one to say. I
That
think
don't come bigger than XL.
I think this is perfect for her.
Oh,
That
maybe.
will fit her, but
Yeah,
she
yeah.
not have no long time.
Yeah.
But they are souvenir. They're not even gonna last for a long
Maybe
time
alright
anyway.
then. We'll have to have that
I
one.
think this is very nice for
Yeah.
her.
Yeah, she'll be alright. She'll have it. Is that it? Yeah. Done. I'm saying on camera, my niece is fat.
Yeah, why are you saying that?
Cause
How
she's
much
not-
is that, man?
All of these are 1,200, you get them to 1,000, right? You get a 1,000 over this. All of them, even all of them get 1,000 for one. So that's a 5,000 and this a 2,700.
Which one is 2? What's
The
what's
dress.
Dress is 2.
2,000. Okay.
So that is 500.
Yeah, put them in a bag for me, please. 7,000, yeah?
Yeah.
Hot man. Cause Huh?
I think that's perfect for them. So how comes you don't sell shorts with the
We just have a Jamaican day.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I kind of sold it for the Jamaican.
Okay.
So to grab that.
Okay. Alright. Okay.
We have some single bottom, the sweat bottom, like that one up there.
Which one?
The sweat one. I can take it off if you want.
Let me see them.
Drop the sweat one.
No, Kayla.
How much is that?
I just put it like that to let them see
Yeah,
that
yeah,
you
yeah.
can wear it.
Let me see.
Draw it out. Just draw it out. And that is 2,000.
Decade.
Let me see the next one.
Next one up there.